Olha a sequência só de putaria que tua tchereca tá tomando. Olha a sequência só de putaria que tua tchereca tá tomando. Eu vou caceteando, caceteando. Eu vou caceteando, só depende de você. Vai, toma piroga na tcheca, só filha da puta dos pitch do chefe. Então, toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece. Vai, toma piroga na tcheca, só filha da puta dos pitch do chefe. Então, toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece. Vai. Toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece. Vai, vou caceteando, caceteando. Eu vou caceteando, só depende de você. Vai, vai, vai. Olha a sequência só de putaria que tua tchereca tá tomando. Olha a sequência só de putaria que tua tchereca tá tomando. Eu vou caceteando, caceteando. Eu vou caceteando, só depende de você. Vai, toma piroga na tcheca, só filha da puta dos pitch do chefe. Então, toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece. Vai, toma piroga na tcheca, só filha da puta dos pitch do chefe. Então, toma que tu merece, toma que tu merece. Vai.
What's up, people? What's up, world? Happy Monday. Today is March the 9th, 2026, 9:23 a.m. We are in an ES long right now. We are looking to compound along and tackle this CME gap. Okay, hold on. Let me get the chat up. I don't actually have you guys up right now. Let's get you guys up right now. Can we get a sound check? Are we good right now? Do we sound okay in terms of the music and whatever? Are we okay? Are we good? Are we feeling good? My friends, are we happy, healthy, wealthy? Let me see what you guys are saying here. Are we live? We're good. Rocking this morning. Yes, sir. We're in. You know what? I haven't slept in 2 days. And I surprisingly have a lot of energy for not sleeping 2 days. Okay? So we're bringing it today for sure. Mo says down then up. Are you referring to ES, NQ, BTC, ETH? What are you referring to, my boy? Phrase, what's up, bro? Good morning. K-Pack is in the chat. K-Pizzy, how are you? Happy International Women's Day to you. By the way, yesterday, International Women's yesterday. Hope we are all doing well, my friends. New York is about to open in about 5 minutes or so. I did scoop a little ES long last night. Okay, we're doing okay on the evaluation. All right, we're doing okay. It's still a learning curve. Learning how to trade on TradingView is a learning curve. Learning the relationship between ES and NQ, and with Bitcoin included in that mix, is a learning curve as well. So quite a bit to learn here. You know, recently transitioning not just to futures, but definitely putting some emphasis on futures. I am currently long on Bitcoin. I am currently long on Ethereum. I think that everybody is too bearish right now, personally. And I think that we're gonna pump. You know, I definitely think we're gonna pump. We'll see. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. If you're not following me on X, the link is in the description down below. I have been keeping you guys up to date with what I'm looking at in terms of Bitcoin and what I've been looking at for quite some time. So I'm just gonna show you here. Remember, go follow me. The link's in the description down below. I do post pretty insightful information there. It's a lot easier for me to get to you on Twitter than it is for me to get to you on YouTube. And of course, the number one place for me to get to you, or for you to get to me, is in the Nexus. So the link for that is also in the description down below. But I posted over the weekend that Bitcoin was, you know, pretty much at my line in the sand line. When I posted this photo and I said now or never, we did have one 45-minute inducement block just below my line in the sand. So if we do open up Bitcoin here, yeah, there you go. If we do open up Bitcoin and we pull up my TA, right, this line in the sand line is the same line in the sand line that I posted on Twitter. However, we did have one 45-minute zone prior, or sorry, that I didn't see at the time that I posted this. But nonetheless, the general idea remains the same, which is that we didn't close below the line in the sand line. We also popped out, hit this breaker, and then flipped bearish. Look at your structure. You flipped bearish and then flipped bullish immediately after. So in my opinion, there's absolutely zero reason to be bearish. I think everybody is way too bearish, as always. And I do think that we're going to squeeze. And we're starting to see the squeeze now. So I'm long on on Bitcoin. I'm long on Ethereum. I also let the Nexus know, guys, listen, these markets are not easy to navigate on your own, especially if you're not advanced, not experienced, you don't have the chart time in, and or you know, you don't have any guidance. Now, I'm not the best trader in the world, but I like to think that I'm usually correct about the direction. And so, you know, all weekend I told the Nexus, let's take a look here. Right, we said here USDT approaching our POI, which is this 8.16 whatever 8. That's exactly where we came to, 8.16 whatever 8. As soon as we got to that POI, I let the Nexus know that the USDT POI has finally been hit. It is literally now or never. I let them know that we had our market structure flip. USDT broke bearish and gave you the reconfirmation. I let everybody know that this is as good as it gets. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But the follow through has been trash, but this is as good as it gets. And evidently that was the exact low. I let everybody know USDT triumphs all. And there you go. So we have our little pump here. I am targeting lower on USDT dominance. I am targeting higher on BTC. I think that we might have a scalp at 69.5, but I think it's a scalp ultimately for a higher low, higher high. And I think that we're going to see 72K. I think we might even see 72K today, which is where I'm going to entertain my first, like, you know, bigger, higher time frame shorts. But ultimately, I do think we're going higher. Okay, I do think we're going higher. I think hopefully we can get in a couple trades on stream. We'll see how she goes. But like I said, I am long on BTC. I am long on ETH. And I do think that there's a real chance of what's it called? Of the monthly low being in. I do think so. So we'll have to wait and see. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If everything that I just said makes no sense to you, or if nothing makes sense to you, rather, consider joining the Nexus. The link is in the description down below. And yeah, it's really as simple as, I mean, it's not simple, but when you know what to look for, you know how to trade. It can be as simple as that. Okay, it can be as simple as that. So I'm long on ES. I'm long on NQ. ES came down and hit a nice demand zone here on the low. Okay, ES came down, hit a nice demand zone. We're simply just in a range. When you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking for longs. When you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking for shorts. Obviously, this is our range. Very simple, very easy, very obvious. We hit our demand zone. Okay, ICT kids will tell you that we have, you know, inverse fair value gaps and consequire crouchmans and whatever the fuck else. But doesn't it just, you know, it was a relatively, it wasn't an easy long to execute on, but it was an easy long to identify, right? The execution was a little bit you know, a little bit janky, a little bit wonky, which is why on this funded account, I'm actually now back above green, but I was in the red on the overall account. I'm still getting used to futures, but doesn't matter. By the end of the month, I would say futures is ours. We're going to run the show. And it is what it is. Don't I think a squeeze to the downside on BTC before going crazy to the upside? No, I do not. I think that the max pain is up. I do not think that we're going down. There's nothing to squeeze. There are no longs to squeeze. Everybody is shorting. Right? Funding is negative. People are net short. And actually, if we pull up Velo, let's get Velo here. If we pull up Velo here, we can see, so this is so prior to last week's move, okay, prior to last week's move, and we talked about this morning in the Nexus. Prior to last week's move, we were also setting up a potential short squeeze. Where's the marker? There we go. We were also setting up a potential short squeeze. Many people are short, many people are net short, whatever. Here you had a bunch of liquidity to the upside, okay, right? And then what happened? You squeezed out the shorts. Same thing as here, right over here is the part that I want to talk about. A lot of liquidity generated to the upside. We flipped structure bullishly. This, look at open interest decreasing, CVD increasing, spot CVD increasing. So this little section right here was a short squeeze as well. Okay, that was a little short squeeze. And when the short squeeze actually began, that was the beginning of the short squeeze. When the short squeeze actually began, we had a 10% move to the upside. And you can see here that after the short squeeze started, we had new longs coming in. Okay, so new longs, right? Price is increasing, open interest is increasing, CVD is increasing, spot CVD is increasing. So this is the point right here. This vertical line is when the new longs started stepping in. And prior to that, it was simply just a short squeeze. If you look at what we have right now, it's the exact same thing, right? Open interest is decreasing. Here, open interest was decreasing. Same. Here you have a bunch of liquidity to the upside. Okay? And then now what you can see in this little section that's circled, CVD starts. I mean, it's kind of sideways. I'm not saying it's not, but it's definitely not pointing down as it's been like here, for example. So CVD sideways, right? Slash kind of starting to turn up a little bit. You can see it. Same exact thing right now. Open interest is decreasing. CVD is now coming up, right? And spot CVD is also coming up while open interest is decreasing. What does that tell me? That tells me that this is right now a short squeeze. Does it make sense to be a short squeeze? Yes, it does. There's no liquidity to the downside. All the liquidity is to the upside. Most people are net short. We are overextended to the downside. Everybody is talking about the bearish PO3 potential and blah, blah, blah. We've talked about this on the channel before. However, there's like the structure. Look at how we didn't distribute on the high. I don't think this 74K high was a good high. I think everybody is too short trigger happy. And what ended up happening after we had this circle is what? We had the increase of open interest, increase of CVD, increase of spot CVD, and we have yet to get that. And when we got that plus 9% move to the upside. So it began with a short squeeze, and then we had the follow through. Right now, we are getting the short squeeze. This is the data. This is not my opinion. We are squeezing shorts right now. This is not my opinion. This is 100% fact. Are we going to get the same thing that we got here, which is where open interest, CVD, and spot CVD start to increase? If that happens while price increases as well, this can easily shoot up to the previous week high. And that's why on X, which again, links in the description down below, go follow me on X. I do post these, which is why I told you guys hours ago, right here, 9 hours ago, it's 9 a.m. I told you guys at 12:30 a.m. What was the price of Bitcoin at 12:30 a.m.? Price of Bitcoin at 12:30 a.m. was right here. I told you guys here, which was approximately 2% away from where we're at right now. On Twitter, Bitcoin finally got the reaction. Actually, even prior to that, I told you it's now or never. Then I said, Bitcoin finally got the reaction off of my very last line in the sand line. If all goes according to plan, this could be your monthly low. Show me one other creator that is telling you that this could be the monthly low. Okay, and that actually has enough data to support the idea that this could be the daily low. So to answer your question, Mo, thank you for asking the question. It's a beautiful learning opportunity for yourself and for many others in the chat as well. It also gives me the opportunity to explain to you guys what I think and why I think it. Remember, I teach you why the market moves the way that it does so that you could have confidence in your trades. Okay. So thank you for asking the question, but do I think that Bitcoin can squeeze to the downside? I don't think Bitcoin can afford to squeeze to the downside before going up, because it hit my line in the sand line. It was unable to close below. We hit the last demand zone prior to $60,000. If Bitcoin loses this 45-minute zone, or we come back even close to this low, Bitcoin is absolutely cooked, in my opinion. It's going to go straight for 60K. And do I personally think that we have enough juice to go to 60K? I don't. I don't think we have enough juice right now to go to 60K. I think that we will go to 60K, but I think that we need to squeeze some shorts. I think that we could have... Ultimately, it comes down to this. If I zoom way out, okay? Listen, structure triumphs all. Structure triumphs all indicators. Structure triumphs all. What is your structure from the all-time high? We have high, we have low, we have lower high, we have lower low. It's as simple as this. Whenever you get a break of structure like you do right over here, what's your expectation? Your expectation is lower high to then make a lower low. And your expectation in that lower high, lower low is to mitigate that previous supply range. So you would expect at the very least this to get tapped, 80K. You would expect it. We are far overextended to the downside. If you start to pull up EMAs and shit, which I'm not going to do, but if you do, your daily EMA is like way up here. We are so far beyond the mean of the range. So to be bearish in this on the grander scheme of things, the higher time frame, I think personally is foolish, but it is what it is. And so what I think is that we can continue to squeeze up. I think that this could be your low until 86K. I think this could even be your low until 98K. I think that we can take this high out before rolling over. Are we going to get that? I have absolutely no idea. My job is not to predict. My job is to react and, of course, inform you guys and inform the Nexus in real time what I'm doing and what I think. And so far, we haven't really been wrong. Sometimes it's an executional error. Sometimes, you know, the zones go a little bit higher or lower than anticipated, like over here when I was posting on Twitter. And I said, I think that the low, it's now or never, but I missed this zone. The Nexus knew about this zone. I didn't post this zone later on X. Obviously, the premium members get to find out first. But yeah, so, you know, like overall, like you can see what I'm drawing out. You can see what I have planned. You can see what I have in the precipice here. And it's really as simple as that. And for now, Bitcoin has a very important level that we just broke through, which are these anchored VWAPs. And now if we can come back and retest, these are all longs. They're all longs. I'm not really interested in shorting. The first short I will even entertain is up at 69.5K. And I think that that's going to be a hard trade to enter, and B, I think it's going to be a higher low, higher high. I think it's better for you to focus on the long anyway, instead of trying to catch a reversal short, when I ultimately believe that we are going to be heading for 71.5, probably within the next like day or two. That's pretty much my plan. Does anybody have any questions? And while you are asking me your questions, I need you to do me a favor. Every 100 likes, we give away a Nexus internship. A Nexus internship entails 1 week free of the Nexus, and you get 3 of the now currently 6 modules out in the Nexus course. So you get to learn the way that I trade, but most importantly, you get my real-time updates, me letting you know at 12:30 a.m. that, hey, guys, this is kind of it. Like, this is the best case scenario. And me updating you full and through and behold. So if you hit the like button for me and we can get it's every 100 likes, not just at 100, I will give away a Nexus internship every 100 likes for every live stream we do. We are going live at 9:20 a.m. every single day, trading crypto, trading Bitcoin, trading futures, trading the Nazi, trading Estelle, who, by the way, for my futures people, just letting you know how there are creators in the world, there are followers, and there are sheep. Well, I am no sheep, and I create my own names for things, just like this is Year of the Dragon, which it is. I recently named NASDAQ the Nazi, and I named ES Estelle, and Stella as a nickname for short. So if I'm ever saying, oh, I'm looking to long Stella, I'm referring to the ES. Okay, I actually am looking to long Stella here as soon as we sweep this low. We'll see how she goes. I am absolutely looking along. If I can get along to fill that gap, we shall have to wait and see how she goes. But Gio, look at 4-hour structure. Isn't that bearish? The body of the low is below the wick of the protected low. No, it is not bearish. I'll tell you why it's not bearish. In fact, it actually just flipped bullish, okay? Let me show you why, and let me explain to you why structure is not bearish, okay? Based on where we're at right now, okay? Based on where we're at right now, we have... Okay, the structure makes sense. It's all internal, by the way. Your structure is literally this. And it's not very easy to navigate when it's like that, so we got to kind of like call an audible and work with what we got. So based on the current structure, it makes the most sense to pull the structure from this low here. Okay, from this low. So what's your structure? You have low, you have high, you have higher low, you have higher high SFP, you have higher low, and then you have higher high. Okay, that is your higher time frame structure right now. Okay, so you're in a local uptrend despite what you may believe. Now, based on the 4-hour candle, or it doesn't matter the candle, it's about the price action, right? You could say, oh, isn't that bearish? And I would say, no, it's not bearish. That's not a clean enough break for me personally to consider that, the idea of like, okay, it has to be a lower high, lower low. Can it be a lower high, lower low? Absolutely, which is why it says potential swing shorts up at 72K. However, I'm more on the side of it taking the high out because our bearish PO3 doesn't look like this high is ugly as shit. This whole range looks too similar to the 96K range, and we're very overextended to the downside, like I said. I think we're due for a serious, we need a bull trap. I think that we need a bull trap to continue going lower. I do believe Bitcoin will go lower. I do not believe this is the low, but I think we need a bull trap, and people right now are too short. People are too short trigger happy, in my opinion. So based on this right now, if I were to close this out and open up my MTF structure, you can see that we've already discussed this in the Nexus. In fact, it's quite simple now. Now that we have the high, the low, the high, this, especially because of the context of this being the last 45-minute demand zone in the entire range and my line in the sand line, this is now considered an SFP. You didn't break far enough. And now, actually, in fact, you are breaking that structure to the upside. So your internal structure is high, low, lower, high. We're going to skip all that shit because it's ugly and it doesn't matter. Low. Then we have high, then we have low, and then we have high and break. So to me, that now confirms this SFP. So if this SFP is confirmed, where's your target? Your target is the high. So everything right now to me is pointing up. It is pointing that we're not going to get the squeeze that you're referring to. We're not going to go lower. We can. I'm not saying we're not going to. I'm saying things are pointing to the upside. Now, do they have the follow through? I don't know. I think that we can have a very fast squeeze. I think that we could see 72K today, 71.5K today. I think that we can take out the previous week high. I think everybody's way too fucking bearish. I think that your monthly low could be in, right? Now, these are all could be's, right? It might be this. It might be that. It could be this. It could be that, right? But as traders, you got to understand that our job is not to predict. Our job is to react, and our job is to come up with all possible scenarios and then execute on those scenarios, execute on our ideas based on the probabilities and based on our confirmations. So while I am looking for a lower high, lower low, I'm also very well aware that this general zone, which is what I've been saying, and I made a YouTube video about it, could be the last swing long of the bear market. And this swing long, this could be your low now towards 86K. This could be your long now towards 90K. This could be your long now towards even 97K, okay? Just because it makes sense based on structure. It wouldn't catch me off guard. That's the difference. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm saying it wouldn't catch me off guard, and based on the TA, it makes sense to happen. I understand everybody's targeting this low. Everybody wants lower. But when everybody wants one thing, it usually doesn't happen. And I do think that we are overdue for a squeeze, a serious squeeze. We're due for a bull trap. Okay, so we'll see what ends up happening. I'm looking to long ES here. Let's see if we can get into a long, and let me hit up my friends and figure out if they want to join me on the live. So yeah, guys, I know I just talked quite a bit, but link in the description for my Twitter. Go follow me because sometimes I'll do Nexus giveaways there as well. Nexus internship giveaways. And I do post my ideas here for you. So make sure you follow me on X and you post the little notification bell. You click the notification bell. And then as for As for the Nexus, if you want to learn the way that I trade completely comprehensively, the link for that is also in the description down below. It is an absolute pleasure for me to serve you if you decide that you would like to join. Link for that is in the description down below. All right, I'm done shilling shit. I'm done shilling shit. Let's see what you guys are saying. Let's go visit my friends. See if they're down to join us on stream and see if we can take some futures trades. Are you guys down for me to... All right, what are you guys saying in the meantime while I go check on my friends? Let's see what you guys are saying. Is this my good side? I like the flip through. Looks like I am looking at the charts on screen, but I already answered that. Where do I trade futures? Right now I'm on Trade Evade and I'm on Trade Evade and I'm on Gapex, but I don't really like Apex, to be honest. You can see the chair. I'm really walking. Show us the walking pad. Cut the back hair. Don't be a teenager. Where them boys at? Yeah, we're gonna hit them up right now. NASDAQ down, BTC up. What is happening? Yeah, I mean, we'll see. I'm looking to add to my ES long here, to be honest with you. I might get stopped out, but I'll get back in. Like, oh, I'm already in profit. I've already booked a profit. Let's see what these guys are saying. Hold on. Let me hop in the chat and see where they're at. I'm going to mute you guys. All right. Okay, can I get another volume check? Because Jabs is coming here. Are you here, Jabs? Yeah, Jabs is here now. I'm looking along Nazi here, bro. Or not Nazi, Stella.
Nazi is stronger, though.
Are you driving right now, or are you...
No, I'm in front of my computer.
You're back?
NASDAQ, yeah, NASDAQ is way stronger. So I'd long Nazi. Not a Stella.
Well, we just got an SFP of the low. We do have a demand zone just beneath, but the thing is that Stella Ella Ola actually hit my my long zone, and it's kind of like giving us a good reaction here. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna add to my long.
Bitcoin's going up like crazy too. Fire.
Yeah, the low is in on Bitcoin. The monthly low is in, I think.
GG.
Man, I knew, bro. I knew 99% when USDT pulled that shit yesterday. 99% I knew.
I almost fucking long NASDAQ too. Pussy. Should've.
Push the wagon. All right, let's see. I think I'm gonna add to ES.
Are you in ES? I can't see your screen, so you're gonna have to.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm in ES from last night, still, but I want to add to it here.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
I would like to add to it here.
We took a long pre-New York on the 1 minute super trend sweep on NASDAQ, and it obviously mooned right away, but we closed out.
And what, you got out of it?
Yeah, we closed out at the high. I made a little bit, nothing crazy. 1%.
Yeah, we kind of hit that gap. I don't know, bro. Nazi's kind of looking a little hurt right now. I'm not gonna lie. That SFP is pretty ugly.
It's brutal. Yeah, it's brutal.
Pretty ugly.
I was looking for a back test short, to be honest with you.
This SF, well, yeah, I wasn't looking at Nazi at the time. We'll see though. You can't really short it now.
But here's the thing: there's a bearish SMT on ES. It never took that high.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out for my. I have 2 contracts in still, and I'm gonna hit one right now. About to hit one. see what ends up happening here. What's Biddy doing? Biddy's okay. I'm looking for backtest longs on Biddy. Oh, we're in no, we didn't hit this supply yet. All right, let's see what happens. Wow, I drew this out before it happened. So if it happens,
Bro, I don't know how you walk and control a computer.
How I what? How I walk? It's hard.
I'd
It's actually
say.
way harder than you think.
Yeah, I know. I guarantee it. I know it is.
More than a woman. 107 people, 28 likes. Let's get them up, baby.
Yeah, lock in, guys. What the fuck are we doing here?
Lock in, guys.
Okay,
Go
okay.
on Nexus internships and shit. Let's go. I haven't given one away in so long. Let's give one away. What were you gonna say? Trader jabs?
I want a backtest short here.
Yeah, I could see that happening. We'll see what happens on this low on Nazi.
Took it again.
See what happens on this low on Nazi. Nazi baby.
We're smashing our head into the 5-minute ST.
Nazi baby.
Did you see
Nazi
it?
baby. Nazi baby. I don't know why my
you're
template
gonna
keeps
get
getting
stopped here.
fucked up with the time frame. That's okay. What's the shortcut for this? What is it? Shift T? Shift T.
We're gonna confirm an SFP or what are we gonna do here?
Guys, that's R7. W Trader Jabs.
What's up, R7?
Trader Jabs. Trader Jabs. Trader Jabs. Trader Jabs. Bro, I'm kind of like, to be honest, looking along here. Honestly, I'm being real with you.
I would long Nasdaq if you're gonna long anything. Estelle is not strong right now.
Ella Ola.
Yeah, it's a Nazi.
Shout out to Mariana. That's Jobs' girl right there.
Who's that?
That's the girl that you talked to, bro. At one time.
From where? From where? The
That
what?
one-
Like that the Rue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our Aussie.
Yeah.
Aussie.
Dude, I'd never think they'd call it a Rue. That's crazy.
Aussie. Look, she just said the Australian. Sydney. Aussie. Bro, I kind of went along. I'm not gonna lie. On my dead homies, I do.
Be careful.
Wait, so you're at the desk right now, right?
I'm in front of my PC.
All right, listen. Let's fucking like max this account here. Where is
We're
WP?
gonna.
WP is
He's
coming in.
Hollywood.
He's coming in a little bit. Yeah. I went in. I'm like, yo, you guys want to join? And he's like, fuck you. No, he didn't say that. But he's coming in a little bit. He's gonna join us.
I want this 2-minute supply at like 24,471, and then.
I like your cut,
nuke.
G.
I like your cut, G.
I like your cut, G. Wait, I didn't do the disclaimer. Let me do the disclaimer real quick first. And guys, I need you to all rate my disclaimer, okay? 1 to 10. Let's see how we can do on this one. Ready?
Foils pushing
All
back
content is
up.
present. Oh fuck! All content presented is a could be joke. Shit, I may take it seriously. Username covered 5 doing the quarter one of seeing on financial advisor. Crypto scam making money. Will go where there's 5 years discussion is advised. That was a
Jeez,
trash one, bro.
ES is taking a shit. Yeah, Nazi. If ES wants to turn around here, I mean, there's not. Hold on.
Let's see what we see, bro. The problem, I'll tell you the problem with TradingView. Okay,
There
The problem
isn't.
with TradingView.
The
Problem with trading on TradingView is like you can't, if you want to switch charts and shit, you can only be logged in on one thingamajig. Okay, you can only be logged like on your Tradeovate or whatever. You can only be on one, so you have to change the ticker manually instead of like just have a new tab. You know what I mean?
No, I know. Yeah, it's fucking weird.
Stupid. All right, now I'm officially interested in Nazi. I think I'm more interested in Nazi than on
Estelle.
than Stella Ella Ola for sure. So here's what we'll do. We're gonna put our stop loss.
We're bouncing on VWAP on Estelle though.
We're gonna set limit on the fill of the gap. So whatever happens on Estelle, I don't really care about now. So now I can switch these around because I'll take a Nazi trade over an Estelle trade. Nazi. All right, let's see what happens here.
Okay, you just lost VWAP on
63K, then we pump. This pump literally has fake out all over it. I disagree, but we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. What'd you say, Trader? Trader J? Oh, damn. Oh, did we just miss the long?
I don't know.
Yeah, we just missed the long. Let's hit a long here.
I don't think we missed it.
Oh. Yeah, I think we did miss it.
I think so.
Yeah. I think we missed it. I think we need to try to refine this bitch now. Fuck!
It's okay.
Damn it, man. You look at one damn comment on YouTube. Let's see if we would have taken it, though.
I wouldn't have known. There's nothing. Like, it's just a... The only thing you had is a bounce off VWAP on Estelle. That's it.
Ola?
SFP to low.
Okay,
but
we'll get in.
the problem is
we will get in. Let's come out and sweep that low again. Let's fill the 30-second bull hug and moon it. But I'm not gonna take Stella. I don't want to fuck up the position. Yeah. We could probably start scaling. You know, I'm gonna start scaling in. I think I'll go in one. It's not a big deal.
think so.
Yeah, let's start scaling.
Do you have anything today?
You like my cut, G?
I like you cut, G.
Like
Boom.
your cut, G? Oh, we should have went in actually based on percentages. Man, I need to get like... I'm so not used to this shit, bro. Micro is the small one, right? Yeah.
The little one, yeah.
Let's see what Biddy T Sizzy's doing. Come on, Biddy, show us your titties. Let's squeeze the shorts. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Pre-market open is a little bit dangerous. Well, the market is open now. For all my non-North America people, keep in mind that yesterday was daylight savings. So the New York is actually open. We've been open for 28 minutes now. So just remember that. Keep that in mind.
For all my good friends out there in the Aussie land and all that.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
For the ruse. I think it's like fucking Tuesday for them already. Maybe. Right?
In Aussie?
Or no? Yeah.
I don't know. Let's ask your girlfriend, Mariana. Is it Tuesday? Wait, is this starting to get cold there now because your summer is starting?
Dude, that's so crazy to me.
It's Tuesday at 1 a.m. right now over there.
Wow. Holy shit.
Wrath4 says hello from Egypt. Damn, man. Hello.
Oh. That's cool. Send us a picture of the pyramids, guy.
Send us pictures of pyramids, guy, says Trader Jab. We should risk 1% on this, I think.
Where are you targeting, bro?
24631. The fill of the gap. We have a supply zone up there as well. We hit demand right now. Let's see what happens if I go in. I risk 340 and I make, what am I allowed to make again? I could even like a 2-to-1, 1-to-1. Do I think BTC is a girl? If I were to profile BTC, I would imagine BTC as like a fat Portuguese mom or something.
Is BTC a girl? That's funny.
Like, I definitely wouldn't think that BTC is bad by any means. Like, if it's a girl, you know, she's just kind of this like middle class, like super loving, feeds all the kids, mother that, you know.
Hey, what do you have? Like tea or something?
I have coffee.
Oh, here we go. You
Yo,
ready?
let me ask you, Bobby, who said this pump literally has fake out all over it. Let me ask you why. Why do you think that? Get some dialogue going, baby.
Okay, MicroStrategy purchased 18,000 Bitcoin for an average fill price of 70,946.
Wow, even when we like dump so heavily, he still buys the top.
Yeah, like, bro.
Like, what are you doing, bro? We
I
were
don't
below 70K for like weeks and weeks and weeks.
I mean, this kind of looks like
why on God's green earth are you buying at 70K?
This kind of looks a little.
Oh, this looks not bad, man. This looks not bad. I might.
It looks like it's accumulating here. I want to see ES take the low again, though.
Let's check Stella. What's Stella doing? No, Stella. Okay, I'll tell you my only beef. My only beef is that Stella Elaola like ripped through its zone. I mean, we do have an SFP and we have Skittles on the 5. So
yeah, but
not...
okay. This is my thing. Look at. Here's the thing, though. Like, if you look at Estelle. Are you looking at Estelle? No, you're not. You're 88. What are you doing?
I'm on. Hold on. I'm watching Nazi right now. What are you saying?
Okay. Do you see the SFP that we have on?
Oh my God, we gotta go in this. Okay, what's your question?
Go look at. Okay. Do you see that SFP there, on Estelle on the right? 2 minute.
Yeah.
Nasdaq never took that low.
Okay, so it's an SMT. But the thing is that Nazi's in demand, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing here. Is that Nazi's
We'll see.
in
We'll
demand.
see. We'll see. SFP'd on the 5 to Estelle did with bullish engulfing.
Nazi's in
We'll
demand.
see.
This was when I did my plan this morning for the Nexus. I had this zone on Nazi and I had this zone right. I think it was like here. Yeah, this zone here on Stella.
Yeah,
So-
but that's still a whole demand range. Well, I guess it swept.
No,
the
it
low.
is. This whole thing is still demand. This whole thing.
Yeah, I know.
So
but it
it's
swept
still
the low.
fine. The idea is fine.
Should be
Like,
okay.
The idea is fine. Like I think we're super good.
Move
The idea
it.
is fine.
Wait, how much are you in? 5. Okay.
6.
6.
Yeah,
There you
see,
go.
There you go. There she pops off. Don't let anybody tell you.
Watch your balance, brother.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
It'll auto close on me, right?
Oh no, you're good. No, it won't. Well, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Yeah, I
you're
think
fine.
it will. I have another 1,000 to go, so we'll see.
Okay.
This is definitely moving up to here. Just move on up. I wish the dude from Creed could sing that song by Adele. I don't even know what that means, man. Guys, let me know what country you're in, man. Drop your flags. I'm from Canada. Hello, I'm from Canada.
He's from Canada.
Beautiful long on the Nazi. Push that shit out. We could TP here. What is the risk to reward right now already? Let's check. The RR already. We're here on the 2-minute time frame for those just tuning in. We're at a 1.5 RRR. RRR.
Yeah, we.
RRR. Greece. Yo, I'm coming to Greece in June. I swear, I'm coming for a wedding. I'm going to Crete and then I'm gonna visit Dakari. We're going to visit Dakari.
Oh, you're up on Estelle as well.
Yeah, we're up.
About.
Oh, I am up on Estelle. Oh, I need to watch the balance. That means dead homies. I do. Okay. So because I need to watch the balance, I'm gonna TP some out here. We're gonna take 2 out at our G Pizzy. Take 2. Okay. So 2 partial out. We'll sell 1 on the high. We will Get rid
Dude,
of this.
why does it keep doing this? It says we've closed this connection. We had to turn off this connection to us because it looks like you've been exceeding your plan's limits. Good news though, you can always upgrade if
I
you
don't
want.
buy limit.
And it
Buy
says
stop.
current
No,
plan.
sell stop. Oh yeah, wait. Sell stop. Sell stop. Sell limit. Sell stop. Okay.
Why does this? What is this, Gio?
What are we looking at?
Can you? I'm just gonna send you this. Can you just look at?
Currently from Bali, Indonesia, Pakistan, Miami. Shouts out to Miami. I was supposed to be in Miami in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but some shit came up and I have to be in New York.
Okay, can you look at that?
Yo, by the way, do you want to run streams while I'm gone in New York?
Ooh, I don't know.
Oh wait, you're gonna be gone anyway. You're gonna be gone too.
Yeah, my internet's not great either.
Oh,
so.
dude, when it does that, what is that? We have to turn off location because it looks like you've exceeded your plan limit.
Yeah, but I have I have the good one.
Oh shit, we just got fucking smoked on that. Good thing we took a TP out there. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it does that. It's kind of like a little glitch. Okay, we just got. We're about to get stopped on some stuff here. Some thanks. That was an ugly round trip, but that's okay. See what happens here. The plan is the plan. Actually, this stop should be here. This is, by the way, horrible real-time trade management, guys. And the only reason why I'm even fumbling on this trade management right now is because I don't know. I can't close things quick, open things quick. I don't know what my exact risk amount is.
Yeah, he doesn't have his flash close button on like fucking case.
Yeah, I don't have my flash close button. Look, if I want to set a stop loss right now that wasn't 2 contracts, I need to go here. I need to manually change this to 3. I need to right click and it's just like I'm getting used to the UI, which by the way, we stream every morning now at 9:20 a.m. for New York Open. The goal is to get in, hit our max profit and get out. Okay, get in and get out. That's the goal. And what's it called? What was I gonna say?
I really want
The goal is to hit the max profit, get in and get out. And then, oh yeah, and what you probably saw last week that we made a couple of executional errors due to due to the UI. Yeah. So we're getting used to it.
You're fucking stupid.
We all getting used to it. Let's see what happens here. Would have been cooler if we just went up. Oh, that could have been the back test short too. I should have took more out there, but that's okay.
I don't know.
Right now, I don't even know what the fucking P&L for this exact trade is. I don't even know what it is because I took profit out. Anyway. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. See how she goes. Let's see how she goes. Yeah, this could be a M2D here on Nazi. What's Stella Ella Ola doing? Yeah, that's a pretty ugly rejection, to be honest with you. EVH with you. Pretty ugly rejection. Let's see what happens. Oh, my back. Got homies. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Yeah, no, I was gonna say if you're, but I forgot that you're gonna be in Florida. But I was gonna say because I'm gone. Actually, I guess I'm only gone for a weekend anyway.
Yeah, but my internet isn't good enough. It lags all over the place.
Oh, word?
To stream, yeah. I can stream on Discord, but not on YouTube. It would fuck up.
No, man. Either way, I forgot that you're gonna be in Florida, and I forgot that I'm gonna be, or it's a weekend. I'm only not gonna be able to stream on the Friday anyway.
Where the fuck?
So maybe we'll get Phoenix to do it. We can.
Yeah.
What is he just wrote? Oil is mooning, not good for NQ.
Facts.
Check oil.
103.12.
Bro, I'm gonna PTG so hard on entries today. I swear. Let's check oil.
Bull div, big fat bull div on oil too, on whatever time frame you're on.
This shit is crazy. You know what's so funny? Lately, I'm seeing posts all over the place, which are they're talking about oil, and yesterday, for example, I saw one, and they're like, if you longed oil 7 minutes ago, you would have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 5 years.
Bro, what?
That's like time bias though. Like they could just pick 2 points that.
Well, I think last night that was the biggest 4-hour candle in the history of oil ever. I'm pretty sure.
What, this one here?
Yeah.
17%. Bro, this is moving like a shit coin.
I know. It's like an
oil
altcoin,
is
but-
oh, look at that. I forgot. Oh, wow. Last time I checked, oil was over a year ago, clearly. Wow,
Okay,
look
but-
how this long. Look at this long. Bro,
Yeah.
look, do you see that? I didn't change
Yeah,
that.
you would only had to hear it. You'd only had to
Oh
hold
my
it. You don't
god.
have to
Wait,
hear it.
hold on. I want to see where the actual long is. Like how much I would have been in drawdown.
There's the
That's
accumulation.
crazy.
Yeah, that's funny.
That is so. That's like look, when I had my old colors.
Yeah.
Would have been like that. That's kind of insane, actually.
Yeah, but you don't want to fucking. You do not want expansions on oil to the upside ever. Like it fucks everybody. Like if you're in an oil long, that's the only reason you should want it to go up. But other than that, like you're getting drilled. You're gonna pay it back in the at the gas pump anyways. So.
The
And, like,
oil PO3 from
10 billion years ago. That's funny, bro. Whoops. Yeah, no shit. Welcome to the party.
I don't know what it is. Okay, what is there? Are we cooked here? we're pretty cooked. Okay.
Let's see.
We are pretty cooked on this
Ooh,
one.
another bullish SMT on Nazi here. Not locally.
On the Nas crack. On the Nas
Yeah.
crack. We should. I think we should TP. I think I'm gonna TP BTC
Estelle?
and I'm gonna look to re-enter. Or I'm gonna hedge. Hedge is short. Let's check USDT. Where are we on USDT? Yeah, we haven't quite hit the target yet. But I think we could come out and take this high. And I don't want to round trip that just in case I'm wrong and it like goes way higher. I don't know what it is. Gotta be a superstar. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. That's okay. Oh, actually, maybe not.
Another bullish SMT locally on Estelle and Nazi right now.
Yeah, it doesn't look good. This CME may have been, might be a trap. They're trapping people into longing into it. And I am people. They are trapping me.
I am people, he says.
The market makers are going for me.
I am
Oh, yeah.
people.
I keep it P, bro. I don't lie. I'm not out here lying.
He says, I am people. I'm done.
I keep it P, guy. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the stop loss on ES up to cover the loss on NKizzy. And then if I get stopped, whatever. And then NKizzy, we're about to get stopped. Maybe. We'll see. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Bitcoin. I think we do need to do a little bit of management on this trade, but the thing is I don't know how much they're gonna give me to enter again. I do want to re-get long, so we'll see. We shall see. I don't know what it is. If it breaks up from accumulation, it is going to the moon, says trader White Phoenix. I guess he's talking about oil. Let's see how high this thing can actually go. Let's check oil. The PO3 idea. Remember? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oil went to minus $41. What happened when oil went to minus 41?
I think it was the COVID crash.
No, I know, but like, so what? They would pay you to long, or is it just like a glitch?
I actually have no idea. We were talking about it last night. Some guys from the UK made a shit ton of money on it, but I'm not sure.
What's up, Zedis? That is the legendary. No, Phoenix is not on with us right now. He's the one in the chat. He's the Wyckoff Network. But he's not in the call. He's too cool for us. He's invited. He has access to join, so give him shit. Can you keep up? Can you keep up?
Yeah, there's a...
Dang, look at ETH popping out again. Okay, we're good. Seems to be good. Nazi's holding out.
Motherfucker, I almost won that shit at the low, too.
Join, he says. Trader White Phoenix, join the call, bros. Broski. ES, another SFP?
Yep.
Have you taken anything today or no?
Just that one on New York Open.
Oh, okay. Bullhag.
It's gonna be a long day, looks like.
What's up, Kenny?
Whatever, I don't care.
Seems that BTC is rejecting from fair value gap. I don't trade fair value gaps personally. I'm looking for a little bit higher on BTC. I'm looking for 69.6 to start considering shorts. A little bit too soon for me. I'm looking to long until then at least, and then I'll hedge a short from there, and then I'll look for higher, low, higher, high until 71.5, 72k. Guys, I haven't slept in 2 days. Just letting you know.
Yeah, that was
the fact that I'm here and I'm this energetic and this charismatic and this sexy and this muscular.
Here he goes, bro.
Here we go.
Crazy bastard. Yeah, but I don't even know like what could put you to sleep. That's the thing. Like, what would it be? Like, if Bitcoin was just 102?
I'm
like,
immune to everything. People are always like, just take magnesium, do this, do that. The only thing that will work, I promise you, the only thing is if Mike Tyson comes and just knocks me the fuck out. That is the only thing that will work.
A medically induced sleep.
Exactly. Exactly. Mariana, me neither. Totally sleep deprived. Wait, I have a question for you, Aussie. Where do the kangaroos go in the winter?
They're good, bro.
I bet you nobody ever thought of that question.
They said like roos aren't really around fucking like outside and shit. Like, or they're outside,
like,
but
where do they go though? You know what I mean? Like, where do they go? That's the question.
I guess roos don't like show up in the cities. Like, they're not
beautiful. Oh my days. We just absolutely destroyed supply on ETH. Bitcoin also just destroyed supply. Yeah, this bitch is going higher. We need NQ to follow through. ES is holding up. There was a long here on ES. Oh fuck, we could probably long ES too. But I'm already in on NKizzy. So. NKizzy cat. They're out and about ruining. They don't shelter as such. They hang out as a pack. Yeah, but are they like, can they be out in the winter?
Dumbass. Yeah, it's like a deer. What are you nuts?
Yeah, but like, do they hop around still in the winter?
I'm sure.
Am I on something? Listen, don't take my ignorance for me being intoxicated of some sort or drugged up of some sort. Okay, I'm not under any influence. I'm under the influence of retardation. Okay.
Yeah. Like,
listen, when we were in school, and apparently we learned about the packs of kangaroos that stick together and jump around in the snow in Australia, which is over a 20-hour fly away. I must have not been paying attention that day of school.
Yo, you're fucking stupid. That's funny.
I must have missed that day. I skipped that day.
Yeah, you must have missed that one. Probably. Settings. Template.
I was learning how to long the Nazi and be underwater.
Yeah.
Roos are like deer that have been to prison. They live on the lands, usually the open farmlands.
Okay.
Do people like hunt the roos? Like, do you need like a license to hunt them?
On the roos.
Bro, Jabs, when we eventually this year, inevitably, meet in Florida, we need, I don't care what you have to do, you need to get your hunting license or whatever. If you don't have one already, we need to catch, clean, and cook an iguana. We need to. I need to kill one of those.
Okay. We could, yo, you know what we need to do, bro? If we go to, you know what would be so fucking lit? We need to go on a fishing charter, bro.
I'm down.
Do you know, have you ever done that in your life?
No.
It is the most fun thing ever. All you do, you get on the boat, and you fucking bring like mad beers, and you just fish all day. It's the most fun. It's like a rack, but bro, I've
Dude,
never
I'm
had more
down,
fun.
bro. Listen, we'll get an Airbnb in Florida.
I really want to go in the Gulf though, because you can catch crazy.
I want to
ass shit.
catch an iguana.
I'm actually doing that in Hawaii when I go.
Really? You're catching, cleaning, and cooking an iguana?
Not, dude. If they do this bullshit, I'm about to ask Mario.
I want to catch, clean, cook an iguana. Like, bro, this is so sick. And in Florida too, because you know I love Florida, so I'm just trying to. Yeah, I'm so down. Super down. Bro, this Nazi needs to quit bitching up here. What's Stella doing? Come on, Stella. Let's go. Make a move. Oil, I don't really care for. Biddy's holding out. Very volatile. Very choppy, very volatile. Nazi's pushing out. Let's go.
Yep. You should get at least.
Here's what we're going to do.
Or,
if and when.
24881.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to limit out one on the high. Not 3, 1 on the high.
Okay.
So limit one out. And then we have our sell 2 limit up here. And then the moment this gets hit and we push out, I'm going to trail the stop up. That's what we're doing. That's the game plan. That is the game plan.
Why the fuck? Okay, yep. Okay.
That's how you push her out, baby. Biddy pumping, ETH pumping, ESNQ pumping. That's what we're talking about, baby. That's how you do it. Right there.
I need to have like fucking
Trader jabs, trader jabs, trader jabs, trader jabs, trader jabs. Jabs, 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 jabs. Trader, trader, jabs.
Bro, you're tweaking.
I'm hungry, guy. I gotta go to the gym too. Dead homie.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Guy, I'm about to leave the house to go to the gym. Cap. Dude, let's win.
Let's get
Why?
so...
Dude, can you show the message to your chat?
Which message?
The one the Discord thing that I sent you? Because
Yeah, I'm down for a crocodile catch. Wait, which one?
the one about TradingView, and see if anyone knows how to fix that, because
Bro, I can already tell you here. This is what he wants me to show you guys, but it's... Man, this happens. I don't know. It happens to Phoenix too. Sometimes it... Even though I have like the highest plan, like this shit comes up and it like does this stuff and it says you need... I think it's just a glitch, bro. Like it happens for me too.
Yeah. If anyone in the chat knows how to fix that, please help. But I have premium. That's so weird.
Oh no. Let's just say that our friend, our new friend who we shall not name here, got stopped out of his short.
Who's that?
Our friend.
Oh no.
The new guy.
Oh word.
Dead homies.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Come on, Nazi. Come on, Stella.
Shocker.
Guys, listen, I have to tell you something. From this day forth, the NASDAQ shall be referred to as the Nazi, and the ES shall be referred to as Estelle, or if you're feeling frisky, you can say Stella, but don't hit on my girl, okay? And I'm not asking, I'm telling you. So from now on, we changed it. We changed it.
Yeah.
Where am I from? I'm from Canada. I'm not selling 50%. I'm selling 1/3. And then I will trail the stop up. I should actually probably trail the stop up now.
Yeah, don't get round trip. Dude, what do you mean we've closed this connection?
You're cooked, guy.
Do I have to buy the ultimate one for $8 fucking million?
Dead homies, you're cooked. Let me update the Nexi here real quick. Unexpected. 'Cause I hate unexpected. I'm a kid for you, yeah. NXT, USDT. Approaching lower high, lower low. Command zone. This is an NTP. Cause I hate when a moment's expected. So I'ma care for you. By the way, guys, I mentioned this earlier, but link in the description for my Twitter. I post some ideas. I will start posting ES and NQ ideas and trades that we take here on Twitter. So make sure you go and follow me there. But also, we have a free Discord. Okay, not just the Nexus. The Nexus is the premium section, but we also have a free Discord. Link for that is also in the description down below. Come hang out. Jabs is always in there partying. You should see, he drank and got naked the other day. It was fucked.
What? Bro, you're stupid.
But I'ma care for you. All right, man, let's squeeze some fucking bears. What's the Nazi doing? Nazi's pretty much back here. Oh my days. Oh my god, could love the playlist so far. Cool, man.
You have a accumulation fighting a distribution on Estelle.
Yeah, we got some shit, some mad beef going down right now.
Shit going down right now, yeah.
We got some beef happening here.
Still in the range though.
I don't like this encroachment.
I'd like to see.
I don't like this consequation going on.
I'd like to see one more push up on the NASDAQ, please.
Same.
And then I'm shorting it.
Dead homies.
This is gonna be a long day.
I concur.
Whatever.
You know what I'm gonna say right now? The first person. What time is it right now? 10:07 or 10:29.
Yeah, I was about to say, am I fucking losing it?
First person in the general chat to type the word armadillo gets a Nexus internship for free 1 week.
In
Armadillo.
the Discord, though. In the Discord.
In the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. And if you are in the Discord, then write armadillo. And if you don't write armadillo, then
phrase done. It's already done.
You don't get it. Phrase, open up a ticket, bro.
Open up a support ticket.
Open a ticket for me, brother. Wow, guys, thanks for watching, man. Look at y'all.
Oh, he spelled it wrong. Nah,
Holy
I mean,
days. No, that's okay. I didn't say anything about spelling. Should we do one more?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do one more. Oh
What?
wow, you
No,
guys
let
wrote
me-
it in the chat here as well. Okay, listen, we're gonna do one more, but I'm gonna make you guys a deal, okay? Because the deal is every 100 likes we do an internship, but we haven't been getting likes lately. Okay, we are back on YouTube every day. We're back on YouTube being consistent ever since I said it. I've been here. We've been trading live for you. Okay, so moving forward, we gotta really get the likes and shit because it's got to be worth it, you know. But anyways, we'll do another one right now. This
Okay,
one
can
we
I
will
pick-
do on the YouTube though.
Yeah, can I pick the word?
You can pick the word, but don't say it yet. Don't go yet.
Okay.
I'll tell you when. So phrase, open up a ticket for me, please, and I'll get that for you as soon as we're done. Okay. And okay, Trader Jabs. Let me just tell everybody here first, real quick. Guys, the chat is on the right, okay? I don't mean this in any way, but it doesn't matter which way the comments show up for you. It matters the way the comments show up for me. So whoever writes the word first, from what I can see, is going to be the winner. Here is the stipulation. You must already be in the Discord, okay? Because I'm going to get you to open up a ticket. So make sure that you open up the Discord, okay? This game, you're going to have to write the word in all caps, and you're going to have to spell it correctly. Now, I have absolutely no idea what the word even is. What happened? I don't know why they're saying first. Anyway, I don't know what the word is. Jabs is going to say the word, and then when you win, open up the Discord, and we shall guide you. Team, Jabs, chat, not chat, gay. People that call their chat is gay. People of the interwebs.
People
Why do it on YouTube? Because it increases the engagement. That's honestly why. It's not clickbaiting. It's like engagement farming. That's the real answer. So it helps. Okay. Ready? Did you already say the word?
No.
Okay. Jabs is going to say the word. Oh, I said write the word first. Yeah, I didn't mean that. Okay. Jabs is going to say the word. All capitals. Has to be spelled correctly. First person on my screen. Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Go.
Red Sox.
Ooh. I don't know if they're going to get this one right, bro.
Yeah.
Some people are not American. Some people might make it 2 words. Some people spell it S-O-C-K-S. See what I mean? Okay, so Jabs, you could pick the winner because you're the one that made it a stupid fucking word.
It's not a stupid word.
It's a good
That's
word,
the
but
best.
like it's not a good global word. You know it's not a good global word.
Okay, should we redo it or no?
Yeah, but do you agree that it's not a good global word?
Red sucks. Fuck that guy. Ban him. I'll ban that guy.
Ooh.
No, I'm just kidding. Red
Red
sucks.
sucks.
You guys are funny. It's actually Piper.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Piperito. You won because you spelled it correctly. So all capitals. Okay. Oh, you already did that. What the fuck is wrong with me? Go. Okay. Click on this on the top right of your YouTube. Screenshot that. Open up a ticket in the Discord. Okay. Open up a ticket. Look at this gay little triangle going on. Open up a ticket and then screenshot me this, and we'll get you an internship. And we're gonna do one more because Trader Jabs.
Oh my god, bro.
What?
That was a good word.
No, it wasn't.
You know what I was gonna do? Bagheera from the Jungle
Bro,
Book.
pick like fucking like a word that people will know. Like, listen, I know that the Red Sox are the greatest team of all time.
Thank
Okay?
you. Thank
And
you.
that
I
everybody
appreciate
else
that.
is so ugly and stupid compared to them. And the fact that even in baseball there are even other teams is a disgrace, and New York is better than the world. Wait, New York is Red Sox, right? Okay, so I know that.
No. What did you just fucking say?
Wait, is New York Red Sox? No, New York Yankees, and then there's. Isn't there New York Red Sox also, or is that Boston Red Sox?
God, are you fucking kidding me?
Red Sox.
Bro.
My point here. Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox. Okay.
Oh my God, I'm done.
Boston Red Sox. So Boston Red Sox. Okay, that just proves my point more, though, bro. That just proves my point even more. So, anyways, now that we had this conversation, the point is that people don't know.
Yeah, well, guy. I mean, all right, whatever. New York Red Sox is absolutely unbelievable.
Well, now we're even because now I have to give away another internship because you don't know how to pick a good fucking word. Tequila. All right, what's Nazi doing? What's Stella Ella Ola doing? Okay, Nazi's doing all right. Stella Ella Ola's doing all right. We're doing okay. Could have made the word Stella. Tequila. 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 137 people in here. Only 68 likes. Get them. You know what? No, we're not going to do a third one. We need to get the likes up for the third one. No more freebies.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. This is what I wanted. Moon it.
Shouts out to Alex O'Crypto. What's up, brother?
Pay attention to your trade, please. Fuck the thing for a second. You need to lock in. You might have to TP this. No bearish SMT. I swear to God, I'm gonna short the fuck out of the Estelle.
All right, let's see what we got. You're gonna short Stella Ella Ola, dead homies?
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna in a second. I need to put NASDAQ on this too. Oh yeah, what's his name? Firefly passed his growth account in one trade last night.
Oh, dead homies?
Yeah.
Bro, I just want to hit my max on this account so that we can go on the fun account.
It's a fun account. That's what he calls it, guys. So once he gets on the Apex thing, do not copy trade him.
Yeah, yeah. When I'm on the Ape, like well, don't copy trade me ever, but the the Apex account is like a punt account. So because Apex is gay, hence why I call it Gaypex. What are we talking about again?
The fun account.
All right, Biddy T Sizzy is squeezing some titties, so that's good.
I need to get ready for short.
That's good. We're looking good. Biddy's looking good.
Okay, here we go.
Biddy's looking good. Guided the Nexus the entire way.
Okay.
The entire way through.
Flip bullish back on the fucking Estelle here.
Come on, Nazi. Hit the fucking TP, bro. What are we at? I need another... What did we say? 51.8? 51.800? Let's see what if I do 1 TP. Okay, let's see. If I do 3, I have 3 units. Trader Geo has 3 units. If Trader Geo takes profit, actually, you see what I mean with this stupid gay math? Like how I have to do it manually. If Trader Geo closes 3 NASDAQ futures contracts, he will gain $700. No, I'm gonna not sell limit here. I think we're gonna not sell limit here. We'll
I really want to
a little bit higher, and then we'll go up a little bit higher here, and then we're just gonna trail the stop now. Now we trail the stop. No reason for them to come take me out.
No, you need to be at break even on that for sure.
Yeah. Biddy T says he's still pumping. Let's squeeze some titties.
Bro, yeah, wow.
ETH is still pumping. Let's squeeze some titties. ETH is gonna outperform Bitcoin, I think, in the next. Holy shit! Bitcoin's up 5%. What the fuck?
Yeah, since last night.
I did not know that we were this high.
Mm-hmm.
Dead homies. I didn't. How much am I up right now? Oh.
It just rolled over though.
Bro, trading is so much better when you enter the trade and then you don't look at it.
Yeah, that's like the whole point.
Look, when you don't micromanage that shit.
Yeah,
Fuck,
that's
dude.
like the whole point. Yeah.
Praise, we got you, bro. We got you, brother. We got you, brother. Brother.
God, yeah.
Brother.
They take the fucking high on the Nasdaq again.
We got you,
better
brother.
short.
We got you, brother.
Did you hear me?
I heard you, bro. I liked it a lot. I think Stella takes out the low.
I agree with whoever said that.
How many of you guys trade futures? If you trade futures, hold on. Here's what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna end this poll. We're gonna do a new poll because we are traders and we are starting to trade futures. So do you trade futures? You trade futures or
Oh my God,
crypto?
can you fucking push up one
Futures,
more time? Fucking
crypto. Trade futures. Yes. No. Do you trade futures? What the fuck? Do you trade futures? Yes and Q. Start poll. We have started to target a new audience. I want to see how many of you all. Oh, okay. We got some futures traders in the crib. You know what, man? Because crypto's been so fucking ass lately.
Tequila. Okay, come on. Joke's over.
What's Stella doing, my baby? Stella,
Go.
Ella. Look at that long, broski.
Pushing up a little bit here.
Holy fuck.
I need Nasdaq to take out that high again, and I promise you, this is a fucking short.
Nazi.
If it does it, yeah, you better press. You better. I'd reverse it, maybe. Honestly, I don't know. Like,
The Nazi.
please don't. Please do not do this to me again.
The Nazi. The Nazi.
Bro, I'm gonna flip out.
I'm definitely not round tripping this again. So if this breaks below this candle, I'm gonna take one out. Get ready, actually, to take one out. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no
if anything,
more.
bro, I would just go on ES and close your ES long. To be honest with you.
I'm gonna take my horse to
Did you
well,
hear
the
me?
ES long is safe.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's like, if you want a TP, I'd TP yes, personally.
I want it. Well, I can't TP it. I have to close it. I think I'm gonna hold it, bro. To be honest, I think I'm gonna hold. I think both are fine. I don't even think I'm gonna need to make a decision. Chris Johnson says first stream here. New subscriber
Okay, here we go.
live. The Jason Cat. Oh, love the Jason Cat for energy. Shouts out to Jay. Shouts out to Chris Johnson. Welcome, my friend. My name is Trader Gio. It is an absolute pleasure for me to serve you. Hope
Welcome,
that you
my
are
friend.
happy,
Hi.
healthy, wealthy, and hope you like the show, my friend. We're here
Hi,
trading
my name is
Nazi.
Trader Gio,
Yeah.
and I teach you why the markets move the way they do.
My name is Trader Gio, and I teach you why the market moves the way that it does so that you can have confidence with your trades.
Yeah.
If you're new here, consider subscribing. And sometimes we bang the pipes out. K-Pack says done for the day. Are you doing well? Hey, Pizzy? Are you fucking it up right now? Fuck up
Hell
the club.
yeah.
Fuck up the club, baby. Fuck up the club, baby. What should we sing today?
The weekend.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can no more.
Ow, ow, ow.
Trader Geo, Trader Jab, Trader Jab, Trader Jab,
Can this
Trader
fucking
Jab,
shit
Trader Jab,
keep the high, please?
Trader Jab, Trader Jab, Trader White Phoenix, Trader Dom,
Why is my stop way the fuck up there?
Trader Molly.
Dude, please take the high, please.
It will, bro. Have faith.
There we go. Push it. Go. Go.
Come on, baby. Let's
on,
go. Push it out. Push Bitcoin. Push
Pump the Bitcoin.
NASQ. Push NASKizzy.
Okay, here we go.
Push
It took
Biddy
high.
Tizzy.
It took high. It took high. If we SFP Geo, I promise you, I'm shorting the crib.
Push it all. Oh, Nazi did take the high. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sell limit. Come on, baby. Fill me. Gay. Posted my day in the Nexus. Oh, you scalped the 15-second? Bruh. That has to be my doing. Okay, limit hit. Beautiful. Now we're going to ride the stop up. Sell stop. Sell stop. One is going to stay there. One is going to stay at break even.
Okay, we're not
This
getting
sell limit, we're actually going to change to one. One sell limit here. And if it just pushes through, then then we will ride the second stop up. Let's check Stella Elaola right now, my baby girl. Stella's looking hot. Stella's looking damn sexy right now. What is this buy limit? No, that should have been a buy stop. Okay. So the long is good. The long is in business. Sell stop below that low now. Risk. Actually, I can even ride it up higher than that.
Yeah, Nazi's
That's good. Biddy's pumping. ETH is pumping. Trades are pumping. Blood is pumping. Get your head out of the gutter. Okay. We're gonna trail this up. Aggressively trail it up. There could be a short here. I should actually just take one out now and then trail the second one, but we'll see. Actually, no, this top needs to stay here. What's the account balance right now? Okay, we need $600 more, and we're done for the day.
We need like 300.
Oh, I thought you said it was 51.9.
No. You need to get, because I mean, you could do that, yeah, but
What happens if I go like $1 over?
it's not a big deal. You just have to make more the next day. You can make, as long as you can make, as long as you can make the same amount, bro.
Wait, you have to make it 3 days in a row?
No. I mean, you don't have to do it in 3 days. You can do it in 10 if you want. But if you want to do it in 3, you just have to make the same. Just put it like this. You have to make the same amount 3 days in a row, and you'll pass in 3 days. No problem.
Okay, we're going to pass this shit this week. This week, we're going to pass it.
Okay.
Okay, we're looking good. We just ripped through that supply zone. What's Nazi doing, or Stella doing? Stella's all right too. We take that high. We invalidate that SMT.
Well, not really, because you need to take 6701 or 6701, because it never took that high already. I mean, it might right here, but like it didn't SFP, so I didn't short it. I mean.
Okay, we're looking okay.
Yeah, Nazi's. I think it's trying to fill this fucking big ass gap that it left. Yeah, we're in it now. We're in a 15-minute OB as well. Or wait.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. Okay, I think we're gonna partial out of our Bitcoin long.
See what we get up here.
Keep that SMT. We need to take that high. ES needs to push up and take that high right now. We're gonna trail this super aggressively. Come on, just push it out, and then we don't need to worry about this account anymore. We can log out and have fun on our Apex account. On our Gaypex. Apex is like full ported.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think I am gonna take some out of my Bitcoin.
Listen. This could be a PO3 on this local range as well. Bearish one on Nasdaq. Just be careful.
I am marshaling. I am booking profits on my BTC and ETH long here, waiting for new setup in either direction. Period. As indicated on stream, I don't I don't believe the short from here will be easy to trade, but if I see something, I will let you know. The plan for now is this short is a scalp for the next higher low, higher high, preferably into the, or we preferably do not lose the A VWAPs and range POC again. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride until I can't no more. Where are the anchored VWAPs and shit?
We're rolling over a little bit on Estelle. I shorted only like 3 contracts though.
RPOC plus A VWAP.
See what we got here.
Are we rolling over? Yeah, no, I'm not.
Call me crazy. Call me crazy,
Okay.
but
We're gonna get stopped out here on one of our contracts. That's completely fine. We are trailing aggressively. Wait, you shorted which one? Stella?
yeah, Estelle.
No, you're. I think you're gonna get stopped. We'll see. Hopefully not.
I'm covering the whole high, so I might. That big of a move down, bro. I mean, I just need a little bit, and I'm good.
I know. We'll see what happens. It just doesn't look ready for me yet, but we'll see. Hopefully, I'm cool with getting my my stop here. So hopefully, like, it plays out because I'm cool with it, and then you win too. Okay, let me check the chat. Sorry guys, I had to update the nexus. Is that the eval? If my profit target is 2,500, 40% consistency is 1K per day. Yeah, this is my eval. I don't know what my what is my profit target overall on this account? Trader jabs.
52,500.
52?
Yeah,
That's it?
52,000.
I didn't even know that.
Yeah, you just have to make 5%. But
I
with
was
the
thinking
40%,
it was like 59, but I'm used to like the
No,
150K.
no.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you get 4% drawdown and 5% profit target. It's way better than.
Oh,
I
yeah,
mean,
that's easy.
the only thing is with like the 150K, the only benefit you really get, I mean, you only have 3% drawdown and you have to make 6%. You just get more like availability to like payouts.
True.
You know?
Are we pumping here? We're mooning? Moon it? Yeah, we're out of the park here. Come on, Biddy, push up. Let me see. Push it all up. Okay, yeah, we're definitely going to trail aggressively here. I also don't like that you can't hedge.
Yeah, they're weird.
You've got to show me love, yeah.
Yeah, if ES takes the high, this thing's over. But I'm willing to risk it. I mean, I'm only in 0.5%. It's fine.
I do want to take. I think I either want to. I don't know if I want to take out of my Bitcoin long. I feel like I do want to take like 50% out. Yeah, I'm gonna take some out. I don't think I'm gonna short it, but I definitely am going to take profit. I would like a little bit higher though, and we're gonna put alerts on this low. Let's take out this previous low, and then we're gonna hammer the fucking long button on Bitcoin. We're gonna hammer it. Let's see where our super trend is. Yeah, we need to TP. Words are so easy to say. Oh wow, you've got to show me love, girl. Come on, man, hit the profit so that we can go. I gotta go to the gym. Which platform am I using right now? Right now I'm using Tradeify. But if I make more than 1K per day, I will need to make way more to pass the eval. Yeah. Yep. I have my my Tradeovate set to like close my positions once I hit my profit target. Bro, yo, Jabs, I got this account like pretty low last night. I think it was, what's my max drawdown? Like 48K?
No, it would have been 2,000 from high watermark. So,
oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, is it on like daily close or ever?
Yeah, daily close.
Oh, I might have, because I'm pretty sure the account went down to like 48K.
Yeah, you might have been like right at it and you just didn't know.
But like, I wouldn't be able to trade right now if it wasn't live, right?
No, yeah, it would tell you. It would close everything and say, you're fucked, pal. Have a great night.
What is this one called? Tradeify, right? This is the rhythm of the night. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Boring.
On the high?
Biddy.
Pay him.
Boring biddy.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get wrecked here.
Boring biddy, boring Nasdaq. Sexy Stella. Sexy Stella.
Come on, just let me get out at least.
Oh, there you go. You're good. Okay, they took me out for one. The question is, do we TP the BTC long or should we hedge short? That's the question. Yo, take a look at Biddy right now. Let me know what you think, if you can. If you're focused, it's all good.
I'm good. My chart's all fucked up because whenever that stuff started coming up, fucking
your shit up.
Yeah, bro. The restore.
Yeah, I think we need to TP. I think I need to TP the long. We're gonna take 50% out. And then we'll look to re-add. It's either we take out or we hedge short. You agree?
What?
On Biddy? Either TP the long or hedge the short?
Hold on.
Hedge the short?
Okay, they're buying this fucking shit right back up.
I guess it's the same thing after all. Like, it doesn't really matter. You TP the long or hedge the short. It's the same shit. This is the rhythm of the night. Head short and TP some. You may not see that entry again. Oh, man. Yeah. I don't know. Fuck the noise. Fuck the noise. I'm thinking about hedge shorting Bitcoin, yeah, but it's a hedge. I think, okay, let me give you guys the rundown in case you missed it. Here's the long story short on Bitcoin for me. I personally think that we will not see these lows again for a while. I think that the monthly low could be in, and I think that as long as we now hold above, give or take 68K, give or take, then that's another re-entry long towards 71.5. So this short would only be a hedge short down to like 71 or 79, 78K. 78K. So it would just be $1,000 short. Like, it's nothing crazy. And that's if even that. If you even come down that far. I don't even know if we will come down that far. Probably here. Your long is probably this. Let me clean this up. So you can see I did my TA already this morning for the Nexus. So the Nexus already knows every step of the way. Enter the nexus.com, link in the description down below. We already know what we're looking for. This is a long up to 71.5. If you start to lose like this low, like if you're long, okay, I can't tell you what to do, but all my longs, the stop losses are here. If you lose this, like there's no reason to lose this whole area. So my stop is right there. You don't need to look more left than that. You don't need to look to the left. You don't need to look at support and resistance that happened prior. You don't need any of that shit right now. All you need is from here to here. This is the only price action on Bitcoin you need, is from here to here. nothing else is important right now. And then just go with that trend. That's what I would say. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. And in fact, all content presented is a complete joke, should not be taken seriously. Use an incompetent 5 quarter one be seen non-financial advisor. Crypto scam, making money online, special government flat discretion is advised. I think everybody's way too bearish. See what happens. What's Nazi doing? So Nazi stopped me out, took my aggressive partial. That's completely okay. Let's see if we can hit. We need a little bit more, baby. Did you get stopped on your short? Trader jobs? Trader jobs? Trader jobs?
No.
18 more likes, guys, and then I can give away one more Nexus internship before we go. And as soon as this hits my profit target or my stop loss, I'm out of here. Your boy has to go to the gym. I'm trying to get absolutely irresistible for all women ever, regardless of their marital status. And I can't do that by not going to the gym. So,
Yo, you're crazy as fuck, bro.
when do I know whether to enter or break? I never do limits. Limit orders is a scam. Based on what everybody teaches you, like limit in, fuck that. I hate limiting in. Limiting is the biggest scam. Here's what I would do, or here's what I'm going to do.
Limit out though.
If and when Bitcoin does this, then I will long that. Simple. Easy. Jobs, how long do you keep your trading view charts open for? Days? That happened to you before. I guess she's saying restart it.
Oh yeah, I mean I haven't closed that shit. Fucking.
See, speaking to me, dude knows I'm married, sings to me, and swoons me every time.
Yo.
Well, if you heard what I said, which you might not have because I said it super fast for everyone else. Ready? I'm on Operation Get Absolutely Irresistible for all women everywhere, regardless of their marital status. And if the shoe fits, you know what I mean? Like, don't, you know? If the shoe fits... I'm actually so big right now. Dead homies. Like my thing just stopped too. My treadmill just stopped. Come on, Nazi or Stella. Let's go. Moving that shit. Let's see. I want to see Bitcoin get continuation also. I want to see. I like the short from here better. Like, if it's up to me, if it were up to me, here's what I would do.
This takes this high right now. It's gonna absolutely fly.
This is my preferred scenario. Let me let everybody know. Let me let the Nexus know. I update the Nexus like 50 times a day.
No way they leave equal highs. They won't. Not in the ES. I'm gonna get smoked right here.
How long we been live for?
I don't know. Like
2
an hour.
hours almost.
Oh, like 2 hours, bro. Time flies.
I really want to give away another one, guys. I really want to. I really want to give away another one. Honestly, I might do it anyway, but I would rather.
Okay, I got stopped.
She take my money. Oh, Stella took the high?
Yep.
Allow me. Yes, she's a driving and indeed. Wait, how do I know that song was about to play? Way over town. I don't even know how I knew that. She ain't messing with no broke. And I ain't saying she a gold digger. Broke. She ain't messing with no broke. How do you reverse the position? This arrow? Oh, this arrow here. She take my money, will I'm in need. Yes, oh, she's a gold digger, way over town. That digs on me. I say she a gold digger. She ain't messing. You know what I'm gonna do? If we pop out here on Nazi, I'm not even gonna TP, bro. I'm just gonna like aggressively trail the stop. That's what I'm gonna do, and just try to squeeze out as much as I can. Because I'm too close. I'm too close to like the profit max for the day to like have to do a whole nother day. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, is there a way for me to check the number exactly?
I mean, I don't know. I don't think so.
Account balance on 0306 was 5785. $57.85.
57.85.
Like 50,785.
Yeah, so you should be if you can get to like 51 like 9 it or 8. Yeah, whatever.
And what's my total profit target? 2,500, right?
Yeah.
So 52.5. Okay, that means we pass that shit tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
All right, then let's push it out, bro. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Enough's enough. And then from the land down under. You're coming from the land down under. Oh, 10-minute super trend. Oh, 10-minute super trend. Look at my screen. You see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
10-minute super trend and VWAP. 15-minute super trend SFP and VWAP. Boom, up you go. Wow.
GG.
Come on, push it out. Okay, we're gonna aggressively trail here. We're coming from the land down under. Should we give this a little bit more room? Actually, we should maybe do that. It should actually technically be here, but that's giving away. That's giving back too much. Yeah, I'm not giving that back. Whatever. If it's gonna run, ES is gonna run anyway, so. Yeah, I'm not giving that back. I'm not giving that back. Fuck that. Okay. Aggressive stop. Aggressive stop. Stop, and if it runs, it runs. Whatever. We might have a short here. Did you short it?
No.
You know what? I'm probably gonna get stopped. I'm just gonna close it. Am I allowed to make 1,000 in a day?
Yeah, I did on the first one.
So even if I close right now with my account 51.4, I can just make 1,000 tomorrow and I'll be funded and I'll be good.
I don't think so. Because you wouldn't.
Then that means there's no point in me taking profit. There's really no point. It's gonna take me 2 days anyway. Then there's no point. I might as well let it run and hopefully we just hit it. One more high. ceiling down. Put your hands in the air. They max out your profits. Well, you can only have a certain amount of wins per day because of the contingency or whatever rule. Consecutive rule, whatever the fuck it's called. Is Jabs playing with poker chips? Yeah, he is.
Yeah, shocker, right?
Doesn't funded account math. Wait, what? Yeah, I opened up a head short on BTC. I don't like it though. I want a little bit higher though. Which is why I'm not taking profit. I'm just hedging my short. Okay.
I was in the 212 on the uptown end. You know what's up, or don't you? Wonder who made ya? I'm a rude bitch, nigga. What are you made up of? I'm eating food up, boo. I could bust your eight. I'm a 212. Fuck it, gun do.
Come on.
You make bucks. I'm a little break, nigga. Bet you 212.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
I'm like a 212. Come, you gating discovered. I'm a 212's cock. I'm licking in the water by the blue bag. You caught the warm goose. And you do-rag too, son. Nigga, you're cool, too. Plus your bitch might lick it. Wonder who let you come to 1-2. What you do to crew, son? Fuck are you into, huh? What you gonna do when I ain't up there? When I ain't up there? Bitch, the end of your life there. This is mine. What you gonna do when I ain't up there? When I ain't up there? Bitch, the end of your life there. This has been mine.
No, they're gonna take me out. Okay, I'm out. Closing it. That's
You
out.
leaving?
Done with it. We're gonna put where our imaginary stop loss would have been, and let's see if we made the right decision. ES, we're gonna let it run, but I'm gonna trail this aggressively as well. We're gonna trail that super aggressively. If that runs, whatever. Don't care. What is this? 1056. Where's this one? 1056. Wait, where's my... Oh, there we go. Okay, that goes here. And then that can run if it wants to. NQ, SFP of the high. Damn it. It's fine. Bro, Nazi is so much stronger than ES right now.
I know.
Nazi's so weak, or Stella's so weak. What's the weirdest thread I got online? That's a good question. I don't know the answer to that. I've gotten don't ever come to insert country name here. Our village will kill you. Or our whole village is waiting for you. If you ever leave me, baby, just leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. All right. Wow, we so would have hit it, bro. Gay. Super gay. Super duper gay. It's okay. If Stella just pops out right here, we'll still... I think we need 51. Like 51.6, I'm happy with. So $100 more. And then tomorrow we'll hit 900 and that's it. It'll be done. Because I'm at max profit for today anyway. Pretty much. But I would have just hit it if I didn't close that. So I guess I made a mistake there. That's okay. That is A-okay. Diddy's popping out too. Not nice. Yeah, it's not typically what you want to hear. All right, NASDAQ is coming up to a 10-minute OB here. I think it's a risky short though. I think ES is the better short if there's going to be a short because we have a clear target. And you might get continuation longs here. I would look to long this. I would look for this. If we get a pullback here on Nazi, I would look for that. And days go on in the sound of her leg up, baby. Wait, are we on call right now? Dabs, you still here? What? A long, long time. Okay, I think that's it for me, guys. I'm about to hit max profit on the day. We're about to hit max profit. We might have to TP here. Some of the longs. It's either a TP on the longs or it's a head short from here. One of the two. And I'm thinking higher low, higher high on crypto. And this trade is pretty much done as well. So maybe I can get into another trade real quick before we end. And I just close ES. Yeah, let's close ES. We're gonna close Stella. Actually, we'll let it hit us, take us out. We'll let it take us out. I do think we need to TP on on crypto. Here though, I think you could either TP or you could hedge short. Right now, I am hedged short. I did not TP the long. I think USDT, it's just a scalp. Like, that's the thing. I'm looking for lower high, lower low. I would look for this. And then that would mean that the low that we just put in, yeah, we got a TP. We got a TP the longs here. Or head short. I'm gonna TP ETH. I'm gonna take ETH out. So I'll TP ETH, I'll hold Bitcoin, and I'm head short against Bitcoin. And then ES, I have my sell stop there. There's no way I lose this trade. I'm about to hit my max evaluation. If it hits it, it'll auto close. So that's good. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we can get the account funded tomorrow. Hopefully we can get our first payout by Friday. And then hopefully we can get on our elite funded, because we're going for the elite funded account, baby. Hopefully we can get on that within like probably by the end of March, within like 2 weeks. Imagine saying I'm an elite funded trader. Yeah, that's what's up. Anyways, my dear friends, hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow for New York Open. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and one love.
Set my heart on fire.